Hey y'all, so welcome back to Tina, where everything is exclusive. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, hey friends, did y'all miss me? I missed y'all. I'm going to give y'all a 2.5-year update on my Locs. Can y'all believe it? We're almost at 3 years. We're 6 months out. And look, she's long. She's getting long. I can like bring her to the front now if I really wanted to. She's getting long. And I'm also going to do a retwist video for y'all because it is time to do a retwist. The last retwist I did was in September when I did my last Loc update. And I do think it is time to do a retwist because I personally don't like going past 6 to 8 weeks of not retwisting my hair. And I'm already pushing it to like 2 months and a week. And I can tell that this retwist might take a little while. Let me do a 360 for y'all so y'all can see what my hair is looking like. I don't got no makeup on. Oh. Y'all can see real shoulder length action over here. That's so crazy. Like, it just amazes me how fast my hair is growing. I really do think I'm gonna be like right here by 3 years. Right? I think I should be right here by 3 years. So one thing I noticed with my Locs, why are they starting to get all lumpy like this? Okay, so I don't have a problem with it. I really don't. I feel like it just brings character to my Locs, but like, I don't know. Maybe it's because I'm not palm rolling as often anymore. I just kind of retwist and go about my day. But I just noticed that with my Locs that they're starting to get all lumpy and bumpy. I don't know. What's the issue with that? What does that mean? Somebody let me know. Because, I mean, it's cool. I'm not tripping, but it's like they're trying to come out. I don't know. I recently just did a braid out. Not recently because it was 2 weeks ago. But I did a braid out and I'm surprised that it's still kind of in there. Like, it looks so cute. And for some reason when I did a braid out, people thought it was like a twist out or something. Like, they thought my hair wasn't even locked. And this one lady was like, "Oh, you gonna lock your hair?" And I'm like, "What do you mean my hair is locked? What do you mean?" But I can kind of see how people would think that it's like a braid out or something. But so since the last time I did retwist my hair, I washed my hair once. And I did these really chunky braids because my roots were just going crazy. They was everywhere. And I kind of wanted to braid them down and kind of tame them. I did maybe like 9 braids in my Locs. And I took them down and they've been holding on strong. Also, my Loc Sprinkles, some of them have been falling out. It's like they're kind of migrating to the tips of my Locs. And they'll just like pull out. And I think like this one right here, I probably could pull out if I want to, but they just keep migrating to the tips of the Locs. I don't know if I'm gonna keep adding them back in. I feel like it's just kind of like a time that has passed. They're so cute, but it's like there's so many styles, like the 2-strand twist when people like add on the extensions. I can't do that because they just, I mean I can, but like the Loc Sprinkles are gonna show. Like, it's not like a seamless, like, oh, that could be her hair. Like, it's not seamless. I really do love my hair at this stage. I wonder how long my hair is gonna be once I retwist it. But my hair is getting longer. My layers, I feel like, are starting to grow out. They're starting to grow out. So, okay, y'all. So this is what my hair looks like. Freshly washed. Do y'all see where she is laying? Naturally. That's what the back looks like. My layers are growing out. What in the world? What am I gonna do with my hair? It's gonna be so long. So soon. She is giving, oh, me? My hair kind of dries fast. It feels like it's drying fast today. Okay, so I'm about to retwist my hair. It's been almost 2 hours and I've been playing around, I'm not gonna lie. I really don't feel like doing my hair right now, and as a DIY girly, I really wish I had a loctician because I just 140 locks. That's a lot. That's a lot of hair. It's actually quite easier to separate my hair in the crown of my head. I don't know why. Well, actually I do know why. Because around the perimeters, I have like a whole bunch of baby hairs, soft hairs that just won't lock up. And they be trying to lock into different locks and stuff. But in the crown of my head, I feel like I have a whole different type of texture back there or up here. So I just be doing what it do. I just be doing what it do. I haven't been palm rolling. I don't really do that anymore. Sometimes I locksmith, but I don't do it to every lock. I only do it to the locks that I feel like need it, and every lock doesn't need it. So now I just have to do the front, and that should be a little bit faster. It took me 2 hours just to do the back. We're almost done. We're halfway through. We're halfway through. Oh my goodness. So I am finally done 3 hours later with my retwist, and this is what we look like with the clips and everything in. I am going to sit under the dryer for about 15 minutes because my hair is pretty much dry. It's just like, I want the roots to be really dry. I don't know if I'm gonna do a style or not. I haven't retwisted my hair and not styled it in a minute, so I might not do a style, but I don't even know what style I would do. Like my hair, like the styles that I used to do when my hair was shorter, they just don't give anymore. Like the little pigtails and stuff, like they just don't stick up anymore. Like I'm past that stage of my loc journey. So I don't know. I feel like if I want like a legit style, I'm gonna have somebody else to do it. Get somebody else to do it. But yeah, I'm gonna go sit under the dryer and I'll be back. So this is what my hair is looking like 4 hours later, and she's feeling long. So I decided to get a measuring tape just to measure and see how many inches I really got. So we're gonna get one of the locks back here, and we're gonna go from the root. Let's see if I can bring her to the front. 8 inches, like 8.5 inches on the way to 9. It should all be pretty even unless my hair grows faster in certain areas. Yep, 8.5 inches. And I want to do up here in the top because I feel like they grow faster up here, but they might not. Yeah, we're at like 9.5 at the top of my head, so my hair does grow a little bit faster at the crown of my head. Yeah, see, that one's at 10 inches. That's crazy. I'm literally at the root to the end. And I guess that's why my layers are kind of growing out faster. I was kind of feeling the layered look, but then I also wanted it to be even. But now I'm on the way to like all even, I guess. I'm going to go ahead and do a 360 for y'all so y'all can see what my hair looks like after the retwist. So I want to style it. I kind of want to do like some barrels because I haven't done barrels in a minute. But my forehead is going to be on 10, so I don't really know if I want to do barrels. But I haven't done like a really cute style in a minute, and my hair feels long. But my hair really does feel long. Like, what the heck? What am I supposed to do with my hair? I might just wear it down. I might just keep it down. I haven't had it down in a minute. Just let it be free. So I'm back, y'all. I decided to do a style on my locks. I used to do this style all the time when my hair was shorter, and I was like, you know what? I'm at 2.5 years of being locked. Why not just do a style? So I did this very cute style. It's just a half barrel twist. The parts are just so crispy. Like they're doing what they're supposed to do. Like everything looks so crisp, and I actually love it here. I love it here. You know what it is? I just be needing a retwist. That's it. That's all. I just be a little extra about my hair when I'm not having a retwist. And that's what it is every single time. But this is the style I went with. Really cute. I'll probably keep it in for about maybe like 2 to 3 weeks, depending on how I feel. But I just know this hairstyle with a little cute face and some makeup, like, it's definitely gonna hit. Oh, I don't know if y'all know, but I ran my half a marathon. Y'all probably don't care, but I did it, and I'm gonna tell everybody in the world that I ran a half a marathon. And this thing, solid, just like me. But this is the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you want to see my face a little bit more, and I'll see you next time. Bye, friends.